Hello, my name is Abdullah. I'm a program manager for Google Research. What I express in this video is my own opinion. What I want to talk about is to get started with the Multimodal Live API Web Console that was released along Gemini 2.0 a few days ago. So if you go to this blog, Gemini 2.0, level up your apps, you can get more information about the new features. I find it quite interesting. I studied pattern recognition back in the days in university, and it's quite amazing to see how far we've gone. So some of the new features, like obviously it's multimodal, but it allows you also to do live real-time streaming of your screen or a video. And what is also I find quite interesting is the low latency, which makes it easy to interact with the model. Enough with the model. Now I just want to show you the steps on how to get started with this API web console, and I will end the video with a demo. All right, so if you head on to the repository, you will notice that the software is under the Apache 2 license, which is open source. So feel free to branch it out and modify it as you please. The repository provides information on how to install the package. But what I've done, if you're interested, I actually wrote a tutorial on how to do this step by step, and hopefully saving you some troubleshooting time. So you can head on to my blog post. It will take you to this page. And essentially what I do is first I let you know of the prerequisites. You need to have Node.js and NPM installed. You can check what version is installed with Node-V. What you also need is an Gemini API key. This you can get it at the aistudio.google.com website, and if you click on the top left corner, you can click on Get API Key. So save your API key and keep it private to yourself. The next thing on the tutorial, once you have actually installed the software, if needed, Node.js and NPM, what you need to do is actually download the repository of the web console. So for this, you just run the command git clone and then the address of the repo. Once you've done that, you need to update your environment file. So the .env file, you will see it in your directory, the repo that you just downloaded. And what you need to do is add your Gemini key. So actually it looks like this. The .env file looks like this, and you need to add your own key here. And also remove the first character, which originally was a number sign, which actually comments out the whole line. All right, so once you've saved your API key here, what you need to do is activate it. So you need to run the command source .env, which will refresh and activate this new variable. Then the next thing we need to do is update the index.html file. You will find it here. So from the directory, if I do that, public. So this is the file. You will see that I've added a line here to make sure that you are able to run the Chrome extension and the scripts locally. So this is for development and testing. Obviously, if you are going to build a production app, you need to take care and make sure you want to do this. And for that, you need to read on the content security policy documentation. All right, once you've updated your index.html file, this file is basically where the web console runs on, right? So once you've updated this, you actually need to now install the software from the repository. So you run the command npm install. Once this is done, then you will likely need to run also npm audit force to take care of any dependencies. And then lastly, now we are finally ready to start the web console. So for that, you just go again to your terminal and you can just run npm start. Right. And so this will take a few seconds. Okay, the web console is up. So the web console actually looks like this. This is the web console. To connect and interact with the model, you need to click on this play button. This will connect through WebSockets. So once I do this, hello, how are you?
I am doing well, thank you for asking. How can I help you today?
Okay, I want to see if you can read one of the headline on this page in the original language and then translate that into English for me.
Certainly. The headline reads, 한덕수 탄핵, 최상목, 현정조 초유, 대행대행, in Korean. In English, this translates to Han Deoksu impeachment, Choi Sang-mok, Hyun Jong-jo unprecedented acting.
All right, another example, I want you to see if you can help me with a math question. If you are able to see the question, just tell me which one is the right answer.
Okay, I understand. Please show me the math question and I will do my best to determine the correct answer for you.
Okay, so this is the question. Which one is the correct answer?
Okay, the correct answer is 72.4 centimeters, less than 2, less than 72.8 centimeters. The question is asking for the error interval of the perimeter of a rectangle, given the sides are 14.3 and 22.0 centimeters.
Correct. What about the next question?
Okay, the correct answer for the next question is y equals 1/2 x 2. This can be found by calculating the slope and then solving for y-intercept with one of the points.
That's incorrect. Oh, you mean this one actually.
You are right. My apologies. The correct answer is y equals 1/2 x minus 2. I misread the choices.
All right, and then final question again. Try again this one.
Okay, for this question, the correct answer is 4.5. This is found using the Pythagorean theorem, with the difference in the x and y values of the 2 points being the legs of the right triangle.
All right, perfect. Now, can you go back again to the headline that you read and translated? Now, can you now translate it to me in French?
Yes, I can do that. The headline, 한덕수 탄핵, 최상목, 현정조 초유, 대행의 대행, translates to destitution de Han Deoksu, Cho Sang-mok, Hyun Jong-jo intérimaire sans précédent in French.
Okay, thank you. I'm done. So this is it, folks. If you found that this was interesting, please give me a like. Again, this model is experimental and has limitation, might give incorrect answers and also not work very well in low resources context. Still, I hope you'll have fun to try out the API and let's see what you can build. Thank you for watching.